Friends, welcome to YouTube channel. So in this video we will see full answer key 1 to 17. Okay, so watch full video and share this video with your earlier friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, 1 to 17 full questions key we will see. So this is the question number 17, the last question answers. Okay, so first, second and third questions we have also seen. So the remaining answers is question number second. So this is a cardiac muscle. Okay, so you can write that cardiac. Okay, and the third question answer is kyma. Okay, and the fourth question's answer we will see. So this is your question number fourth answer. Combining surface feeder, mid zone feeder and bottom feeder fishes in a single fish pond ensures efficient utilization of different ecological niches, leading to better nutrient cycling and a balanced ecosystem. Ecological niches leading to better nutrient cycling and a balanced ecosystem. Okay, the question number fifth answer is if the plasma membrane repeats. We have also seen these questions in previous video, you can check the video. And 6 7 8 questions also we will see. Okay, and okay, so note their questions, and please like, share and subscribe for more videos of class 9 social all subjects question paper. Okay, this is your question number 9 answer. Okay, nutrients available in water are hydrogen and oxygen. Examples of micro nutrients are iron, manganese, boron, zinc, copper and chlorine. Okay, the question number 10 is if I meet a cell biologist, I would clarify doubts about the structure, function and interaction of different cell organelles, their roles in cellular process like metabolism, protein synthesis and energy production, and their significance in health and disease. Okay, manures are organic materials derived from plant. The question number 11 right answer is derived from plant and animal waste, while chemical fertilizers are synthetic substances containing specific nutrients. Manures improve soil structure and fertility gradually, while chemical fertilizers provide nutrition immediately but may harm soil depth in the long term of overused. Okay, this is your question number 12. So if you want to download PDF, search airpainter.com. Okay, you can download easily PDFs in your mobile. This is diagram. So first is dendrite, nucleus, cell body, soma, axon, hillock, myelin, sheath and node of Ranvier. Okay, this is complete diagram, axon terminal and Schwann cell. Okay, and next is question number 13. Okay, the tissue seen in hydrophytes is parenchyma, the simple tissue made of dead cells in sclerenchyma. Okay, A and B in point of, and C point, the function of phloem is phloem is to transport organic nutrients like sugars from leaves to other parts of the plant. Okay, this is full A, B and C. The next question is question number, and the D point is the tissue present in vascular bundles are xylem and phloem. Okay, question number 14 right answers. Different types of muscles present in animals include skeletal muscles attached to bones for movement, smooth muscles found in organs and blood vessels for involuntary movements, and cardiac muscles. Okay, the question number second right answer is cardiac muscles also found in the heart for pumping blood. Okay, question number 15. Preventive measures for disease of poultry birds include maintaining proper hygiene, providing clean water and feed, vaccinating against common disease, controlling pests and parrots, and isolating sick birds. Okay, the question number 17. Xylem and phloem are called complex tissues because they are composed of multiple cell types performing different functions. Xylem transport water and minerals upwards, while phloem transport organic nutrition throughout the plant. The B is right answer. Desirable characters of bee varieties suitable for honey production include high honey yield, docile behavior, disease resistance, and adaptability of local environmental conditions. Okay, the next question, and please like, share, and subscribe for more videos of your classes. Okay, and share this video with all your friends. For PDF, search airapindia.com. The procedure to observe chick cells in the school laboratory involves swabbing in the inside of chick with a cotton swab, transferring the cells into a glass slide, staining with a dye like methane blue, and observing under a microscope. So this is your full key of class 9th biological science. Okay, and the B point is osmosis can be proven using potato peel by placing potato slices in solutions of different concentrations and observing changes in the size and texture of the potato slice over time due to water movement across the membrane. So full answer key is uploaded on our channel. You can just check the videos, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and share this video with all the friends. And for PDF, search arfindia.com. You can download easily PDFs in your mobile. Okay, this is your full key of class 9th biological science paper 2nd. For key PDF, search ARF India. We will meet in next video. Thanks for watching. Friends, welcome to YouTube channel. So in this video we will see class 9th biological science full answer key. We will see. Okay, so watch full video and share this video with all your friends, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay, so this is your class 9th biological science full question paper. I will provide you, and answer key also provide you. So just note down answers of these questions. Okay, so this is your question number first. Name two organelles that contains their own genetic material. Okay, so the two are chloroplast and mitochondria are the only two organelles that contain their own genetic material. Okay, so your answer is only chloroplast and mitochondria. Okay, this is your question number first right answer. Okay, so next question. So this is the image of a tissue. I think this is a connective tissue, but not sure. So you can share this question. Okay, and the question number third is which of the following tissue head has dead cells? Okay, so is sclerenchyma. Okay, sclerenchyma. This is your right answer. Option number C. Okay, question number third answer. The question number fourth belongs to a table, chart table. So you I will provide you this question in the next video. Okay, the questions answer. And the fifth question is that what will happen to the cell if plasma membrane ruptures? Okay, and if you want to download this answer key PDF, just go on Google and type arfindia.com and then type your class. Okay, so you can download easily PDFs in your mobile. So first is rupture of plasma membrane. So right answer in the points: if the plasma membrane ruptures, the cell will leak all its cellular constituents, leading to cell death. Okay, and the second is it may lead to the bursting of lysosomes, resulting in the disruption of cell organelles. Third is that once the plasma membrane ruptures, solutes from the exterior can harm the cell organelles, which will lead to cell death. Okay, so this is in the point 3. The next question is question number 6. So next question number 6 is what measures will you suggest to the farmers cropping in low rainfall drought areas? Okay, so the question number 6 right answer is, so first in the point, irrigation aids in overcoming the problem of low rainfall and increase output by preserving soil water balance. Okay, irrigation uses both surface water and groundwater resources. Water is supplied to crop areas using a variety of irrigation systems. Okay, and the fourth point is wells, tanks, canals, rivers, sprinkler systems and drip irrigations systems are example. The kind of soil also has a role in determining watering requirements. Okay, the fifth point is farmers should plant drought resistant and early maturing crop kinds. Okay, the sixth point is a large amount of humus and organic manure should be put into enrich the soil and boost its water holding capacity. Okay, the must points of to the suggest to the farmers. Okay, the question number next is that question number 7. So question number 7 is the section next is 8 marks. Okay, section number 2nd. Question number 7 is why blood is called as a fluid connective tissue. Okay, so answer is, question number 7 answers blood is termed a connective tissue because it transports a variety of digestive chemicals, oxygen from the lungs and meals from the small intestine to other bodily tissues and organs. Also, it connects the heart, lungs and small intestines to other bodily tissues and acts as a conduit between them. As a result, it is known as a fluid connective tissue. Okay, this is your question number 7 answer. Next question. Question number 9 answer is remaining. Okay, but the next question is question number 8. Okay, what will happen in the life of cell there were no Golgi apparatus? Okay, question number 8 is that, so answer is So question number right answer is the Golgi apparatus packages proteins into vesicles inside the cell before sending them to their destinations. If the Golgi apparatus is not present, the packaging and transport of materials would cease to happen. Certain substances like proteins and lipids are important for the formation of the plasma membrane. Hence, the absence of the Golgi apparatus will hamper the formation of new cells during cell division. So this is your answer key. So remaining questions answer will be provided in the next video. So stay tuned with our channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you are come to the first time this channel, so please subscribe our channel and hit the like button also for all the videos of class 9th and all subjects. Okay, for PDF search airappindia.com. So we will meet in next video. Thanks for watching.